Hello friends, welcome back to Mother Made channel. Friends, today's topic is hand wash gel, or you can call it hand wash liquid soap. Friends, I had uploaded a video on how to make shampoo base. I will give the link of that video in the description box, as I am making this hand wash with the help of that shampoo base. So friends, go in the description box and see the video of shampoo base before making this hand wash. Friends, I have taken this shampoo base. See, this I made in the previous video. This is a shampoo base which I made in the previous video. So I am taking this shampoo base. Other ingredients which are required in this is aloe vera gel. This is perfume, water based perfume. This is color, water based color. This is glycerin. This is badam rogan. You can use vitamin E capsule which are available in the market, or you can use vitamin E oil. First of all, I am adding badam rogan oil in this shampoo base. Now I am adding glycerin. Now I am adding aloe vera gel. Now mix it properly. Mixing is very important. Now I am adding color, water based color. I am adding blue color. You can add any color of your choice. Now I am adding perfume. You can add any perfume of your choice. See, hand wash is ready. Friends, now I am adding water. You can take RO water, DM water or mineral water. Please don't take tap water. For making hand wash, take 200 ml shampoo base, water 750 ml, glycerin 15 ml, vitamin E capsule 2. If you are taking vitamin E oil, take 10 ml vitamin E oil, or if you are adding badam rogan, take 10 ml badam rogan. Then perfume 3 to 4 ml. If you want a strong smell, you can increase the quantity of perfume. Then aloe vera gel 20 ml. Color you can take according to your taste. Then preservative. The name of preservative is formalin. Formalin 4 ml. And if you want shyness in your hand wash, please add pearl powder, which I had not shown in this video. So pearl powder 5 gram. Friends, after making hand wash, if you feel that the consistency of your hand wash is thick, you can add more water. Friends, you can increase or decrease the amount of water. So while making hand wash, add water little by little at a time. So you can adjust the consistency of hand wash according to your taste. Friends, if you have any problem, you can write in the comment box. I will definitely answer your questions. And friends, you can do the business of this soap also. The production cost is very low and the sale price is very high. So the net profit will be high and the business will be very profitable. Simply take bottles. Many varieties of bottles are available in the market. They have different shapes, sizes, colors, designs, and the price range starts from rupees 10. It goes on according to the variety. So you can take bottles according to your taste. Friends, but remember that the overall packing should be attractive. The more attractive the packing, the sale will be more. Friends, simply fill the bottle with hand wash and paste your company's name and go to the shopkeepers nearby your house and give some commission to the shopkeeper so that they will sell your product. After few days, if you see the sale of your product is going good, you can go to other shopkeepers and give your products to them to sell. So like this, you can grow your business. Friends, if you like my video, please share my video with all your friends and relatives. Please subscribe my channel. After pressing subscribe, you will see a bell icon. Please press that also. After pressing bell icon, you will see 3 options on the screen. Please press the all button which is on the top. Pressing all button is very important. By pressing all button, you will receive all the notifications whenever I make a new video. So pressing all button is very important. So friends, now we will meet in some next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.